Alright, so Google pronounces it this way.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
And in English, it's pronounced...
Hey Nico.
Kamusta? Mabuhay, magandang umaga, and welcome back to MGN Dieko. Ako po si Ovela, and yes, this is weird, right? Why am I not in my studio? Well, it's because the subject of this video is pretty laid back, so I thought, you know what? I want to be comfortable on my couch, you know, as you can see, this is my couch. On my couch, just chilling and making the video and feeling, you know, just comfortable. Yes. So, this video is all about Filipino words, popular Filipino words that I'm gonna read and I'm gonna put into Google Translate, and we're gonna make Google Translate read it in English, and I think that can be hilarious. But before we start, as usual, please consider following me on Instagram at MusicGameNews. Alright, so the first word is paalam, which means goodbye, apparently. So that's how I pronounce it. Now let's see how Google pronounces it in Tagalog, but also in English. Alright, so this is how it sounds in Tagalog.
Paalam.
Here.
Paalam. Paalam.
You don't say paalam, you say paalim. Paalim. Alright, let's see how they pronounce it in English.
Paalam.
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 Paalam. Paalim became paalam. The next word means hope for all, and it is sanaol. Sanaol. Okay, so Google Translate pronounces it in Tagalog like this.
Sanaol. Sanaol.
Sanao. They barely pronounce the L.
Sanaol.
Sanao. Now, in English,
Sanaol.
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 What the hell? Alright, let's move on to the third word. The third actually is two words. It's hay nako. This one I hear very often. Hay nako, which means I'm fine. Hay nako. Alright, so Google pronounces it this way.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
Hay nako.
And in English, it's pronounced...
Hey Nico.
Hey Nico. It's like, what?
Hey Nico. Hey Nico.
Hey Nico.
Hey Nico.
Oh my god, it went from Hay nako to Hey Nico.
Hey Nico.
Alright, let's keep going. Oh, this one I heard it in one of my reaction videos is Sus Mario Sep. Sus Mario Sep, and I figured it out during the reaction video that it meant Jesus, Mary, Joseph. Sus Mario Sep. Alright, so in Tagalog, it sounds like this when you put it in Google.
Sus Mario Sep.
Sus Mario Sep. See? Sus Mario Sep.
Sus Mario Sep.
Now let's see in English. Sounds like
Sus Mario Sep.
Sus Mario Sep.
Sus Mario Sep.
Sus Mario Sep. Alright, the next sentence, it's push mo yan, which means go ahead, you can do it. Push mo yan. Alright, so in Tagalog, it sounds like
Push mo yan.
push mo yan.
Push mo yan.
Alright, in English, it sounds like
Push mo yan.
push mo yan. Those are very similar, so
Push mo yan.
push mo yan. So the next word is ang galing mo, which means you're good, you did it. You're good, you did it. And in Tagalog, it sounds like
Ang galing mo.
ang galing mo.
Ang galing mo.
Ang galing mo. And in English, it sounds like
Ang galing mo.
Oh my god, it's completely different. They butchered it. Ang galing mo?
Ang galing mo.
And galing mu, not even mu, it's mu. Wow. I mean, check out in Tagalog how good it sounds.
Ang galing mo.
Ang galing mo. It actually sounds like a human being. But when you put it in English, it sounds like a robot talking. Alright, let's go with a sentence that I am very, very familiar with, and it is, kamusta kayo? So, in Filipino, it sounds like,
Kamusta kayo?
kamusta kayo?
Kamusta kayo?
Kamusta kayo? And in English, it sounds like,
Kamusta kayo?
kamusta kayo? Kamusta.
Kamusta kayo?
Oh my god, kamusta kayo? Kayo sounds like chaos. Kayo.
Kamusta kayo?
KO or knock out. KO. Kamusta kayo? So funny. Okay, this word I say every day and it's magandang umaga. Let's check it out. Which obviously means good morning. So in Filipino, it sounds like
Magandang umaga.
magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. Okay, let's move on to the English one. They're gonna butcher it.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. Oh my god, just like a robot.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. Almost sounds like a beat.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Nah, in Filipino, so much better.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Alright, the next sentence is maraming salamat po. Alright, so we all know how it sounds like in Filipino, but I'm still gonna put it.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. See, it sounds like a human being. Let's see in English.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Oh, it's not even salamat, it's what?
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Wow. Wow. Alright, the next one is the question, what's your name? Which is, anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? Alright, so in Filipino, it sounds like,
Anong pangalan mo?
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 Anong pangalan mo? Alright, in English?
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo? Pangolin. Pangalan became pangolin. Anong pangolin mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangolin mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangolin mo? Wow, it's crazy how accents change everything. Alright, now we're gonna do magkano ito, which means what's the price? Okay, so in Filipino, it sounds like
Magkano ito?
magkano ito?
Magkano ito?
Magkano ito? And in English,
Magkano ito?
magkano ito?
Magkano ito?
Oh wow, magkano ito?
Magkano ito?
Magkano ito? Nah, in Filipino sounds better.
Magkano ito?
Magkano ito? The next one is, they must be careful with me, which is, ingat sila sa akin. Ingat sila sa akin. So in Filipino, it sounds like,
Ingat sila sa akin.
whoa.
Ingat sila sa akin.
They don't even pronounce the G.
Ingat sila sa akin.
Inat sila sa akin.
Ingat sila sa akin.
Yeah, the G is not pronounced. Inat sila sa akin.
Ingat sila sa akin.
Okay. In English,
Ingat sila sa akin.
ingat sila sa akin.
Ingat sila sa akin.
That's not too bad, actually.
Ingat sila sa akin.
Ingat sila sa akin. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do a sentence that means apparently fabulous, and it is pakpak ganerna. Pakpak ganerna. So in Filipino, it sounds like...
Pakpakgan earn.
What? Pakpak gan earn? No, I don't think it sounds like that in Filipino.
Pakpakgan earn.
Gan earn. I just don't think it's written the right way, and that's why it says gan earn, because that earn sounded very English.
Pakpakgan earn.
See, pakpak gan earn. I don't think in Filipino they pronounce it that way. They probably pronounce it pakpak gan earn. But let's see in English how it sounds like.
Pakpakgan earn.
Pakpak gan earn.
Pakpakgan earn.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so now we're gonna translate simple words like kebs, which means I don't care. So in Filipino, it sounds like
Kebs.
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 In English, it sounds like
Kebs.
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 There you go. Next word is char, which means I'm impressed. So in Filipino, it sounds like
Char.
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 I'm not sure that's how they pronounce it. And in English,
Char.
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 Char. Next, guapo. Guapo, which means pretty, right? Or handsome. All right, so in Filipino, it sounds like
Guapo.
guapo, guapo,
Guapo.
guapo. In English, it sounds like
Guapo.
guapo, 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 guapo. Let's go for pogi. They both kind of mean the same thing, right? So in Tagalog,
Pogi.
pogi,
Pogi.
pogi. And in English,
Pogi.
pogi,
Pogi.
pogi. Yeah, they're not very different. All right, people, I think I'm gonna stop there. I had fun. It was different. It was easy. It was laid back, you know. Obviously, the image quality is gonna be different, and the audio quality is gonna be different as well, because I'm using my tiny camera, which is the GoPro 7. All right. Now I'm gonna go, edit that in the studio that you can recognize. I mean, here, check it out. See, this is where I sit usually. Yeah. Here's the microphone that I usually work with, and that's the camera. So now I'm gonna go edit this stuff, all right? Thank you so much for joining me as usual. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next video, okay? Peace! Thank you for watching. Subscribe here, and please like the video to show your support and appreciation for my work, and turn on the notification bell to be poked for future content. Yeah.